Atiya, since we'll start with you, we'll be courteous. You looked a little nervous a little while ago, not at all here. So you love the arc lights, and you've got your dad and mom in front of you. Does that change a few things?
Yeah, of course. Gives me the confidence. They're my rock. They're my strength, and I'm extremely happy that they're here to support me.
These two get the right platform. I mean, I hope it is. I hope it is. वो तो picture release होने के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि right है या wrong. But from what I see, I mean, from what I see, both of them on screen, I don't know what the fate of the film is, what the fate of the film is going to be. But I think both of them are stars. I think he will come straight into my slot and he'll say, "Chalo, uncle, thoda sa aage chalo, thoda sa aage chalo." My duty is not to aage chalo, but for him to push me as long as possible. Kaisa acha chal thoda aage chala hi jata hu. So I've got to hold my. He's got to lessen the gap between him and me. I've got to keep it maintained. Same thing with Atiya. That every time a movie is offered to her with me, she says, no, too old. Too old, no. So she should only work with the younger generation and never come up to that generation, our generation, no matter how big a stars we are. कि ऐसा कभी नहीं होना चाहिए कि काम कर लिया उसके बाद अरे अतिया को ले लें अरे नहीं यार अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम चला गया है. She should always work so hard that she should be working with the younger generation as well as the our generation. समझे आप लोग?
I've been training for all my life, I've been training since I've been a kid.
Yeah.
And actually never wanted to be an actor until I met Salman sir. And I still remember he called me when I was at class and he said, "Suraj, come to Yash Raj." So मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ यार. I cut the phone. कौन है? Then Arpita calls me. She said, "Are Bhai is calling you." I said, "Is Salman sir calling me?" She's like, "Yeah, Bhai is calling you. Please call him back." I called him. Then I went and met him at Yash Raj, and then he put me on to. He said, "Please work with Kabir sir." So I assisted Kabir sir on Ek Tha Tiger. And since then, I think he's put his hand on my shoulder and it's always been there. And I hope it stays there.
Always there. For the time as soon as my hand shifts, you put your hand under my shoulder.
All right, we're going to open it up for a number of questions. Where do I start?
Hi, Suraj Atiya. Welcome to the industry, Hindi film industry. Alok here from OFM. अब दोनों से मेरा सवाल है कि आज क्या तैयारियां थी यहाँ आने से पहले कि एक मंच होगा, बहुत सारे पत्रकार होंगे, बगल में सलमान खान भी होंगे, एक एक करके अगर आप बताएं.
ऑनेस्टली सुबह से तो बहुत नर्वस था. कुछ तैयारी तो नहीं की हम, पर मॉम डैड से बात किया. अभी जो होना है वो होएगा, उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते. पर आप लोग को ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा? इफ़ यू लाइक द ट्रेलर आई थिंक सब अच्छा होगा. एंड आई होप टू गिव बेटर इन ईच एंड एवरी फिल्म आई डू. I want to work with Nikhil sir again, and I hope that we do a very good film together where I can actually like really pay attention to what I'm doing. Because
इसका मतलब इस पिक्चर में ऐसा कुछ नहीं
नहीं, इस पिक्चर में किया मैंने, इस पिक्चर में किया, पर इतना हो रहा था. और हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे मनाली में, तो it was very intense for the first film, I guess. Right, sir? Was it? You think? No?
Wait for your second film and third film and fourth film.
So yes, I promise to get better and better. I am not the best right now, but I can be later on. I'll work towards it, I promise.
Atiya, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Before coming here, I was extremely nervous. I messaged Nikhil, so I think 5 times, saying, oh my God, but he calmed me down like he always does. And I don't know, I'm like so emotional right now because it's been such an amazing journey for both of us, for all of us. We've worked really hard. We've put in our all, and I hope you like it. And I'm so happy and glad to see so many people who are here to support us. And I just want to say thank you so much for being here.
Your left.
Top left, next to the
Here,
lights.
here,
Yes.
here. One piece of advice you got from Salman Khan, not as a producer, but on a personal level.
Before we started the film, I said, he said, Suraj, picture chalu ho rahi hai. I said, yeah, thank you, sir, and everything. He like, Suraj, acting mat karna. He said, ज़्यादा acting mat karna, dance सीख लेना, पर ज़्यादा acting mat karna. That's what he said. And jeans, boots. He said, jeans और boots अच्छे होने चाहिए. आज नहीं पहने.
It's a very simple thing, but I've realized one thing कि जहाँ jeans की fitting गई, hero गया. It's a very simple thing. It is जहाँ देख लो, जो आदमी की पैंट की फिटिंग, जीन्स की फिटिंग करेक्ट है, उसकी चाल करेक्ट है, वो चलेगा. जिसकी नहीं है, आप आंकड़ा लगा के देख लो. It is always नहीं है, out.
Hi, Suraj.
Hi.
At the center.
Yes.
Hi. This is your first stage appearance. What got you so emotional? What was your thought process at that point of time when you entered the stage?
See, I see. This is a dream launch. What people call a dream launch. It is one, and I don't think I could have gotten better than this. I see a lot of people over here who want to be actors. People who are much more talented than me, much more good-looking than me, have a better body than me, but they don't make it here, and I've made it, and it's a big thing for me. That's it.
सूरज
Hello.
एंड अतिया,
Yes.
आप दोनों ही लोगों से सवाल है, क्या आप लोगों ने सुभाष जी की पहली हीरो देखी थी? क्या उससे कुछ इंस्पिरेशन मिली आपको दोनों ही लोगों को?
Yes, I saw it when I was very young, but I don't think we can ever be compared to that on that platform. We've tried to create something different and something new, and I hope we have his blessings. And yeah.
हीरो का जो सिग्नेचर ट्यून था एक्चुअली फ्लूट का, इज दैट बीन देयर इन द
वो
फिल्म?
सिग्नेचर ट्यून तो शिवाजी के पास था ही नहीं. वो म्यूजिक तो शिवाजी के पास था ही नहीं.
वो
टाइटल भी शिवाजी के पास था.
वो मेरे पास नहीं, HMV के पास था.
लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट उनके पास थी. That's all we needed.
सलमान आपके सामने
Okay,
और
last.
थोड़ी बहुत चेंजेस
Sorry,
होते
यार,
रहते हैं.
we'll have to wrap up here,
अपग्रेड
last.
करते
Yeah.
हैं टाइम के हिसाब से. हर चीज़ थोड़ी बड़ी हुई है इस फिल्म के अंदर. तो अब टेक्नोलॉजी भी बढ़ गई है. थोड़ा सा थिंकिंग भी चेंज हो गया है. तो we just done little extra in that. That's it.
Yes, yes.
सूरज और अतिया से पूछना चाहूंगी, इतनी कंपटीशन है आपके जनरेशन में, तो आपके हिसाब से कौन आपका कॉम्पिटिटर होगा इस जनरेशन के एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेस?
Competition for me right now, I think I'm too new. I'm just barely got my wings to fly, so I don't see myself on that level as yet. I hope I can get better, and then I will answer your question. But for now, I just want to work really hard, and I hope you all accept us.
When we get better, then we'll just be modest.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I'd also like to call on stage Monisha and Madhu, and then we have a little photo op. They're not here?
They're not here.
Then we just have a photo op.
Please, and I would like to call the original producers of both these kids. Mr. Aditya Pancholi and Mr. Sunil Shetty.